Skies continue to clear. Winds go light tonight. There will be some patchy frost, especially along and north of US 24 up here, which runs through Monticello. So the northern half or third of the viewing area, better potential, a little more widespread frost. And the Weather Service has an advisory for widespread frost just north of the viewing area. But some warmer air will start to get in here tomorrow. It's just west of here, and it's ahead of a storm system that will bring some scattered showers and storms Thursday night into at least part of Friday. It's kind of organizing here, and it will kind of gel with this system too. And they will both bring a sharp cool down. Looks like, again, right around the 22nd. For the upcoming weekend, a frost and a freeze once again for the area. But this one doesn't look like mid-20s. This is going to be upper 20s and lower 30s. Now tomorrow it will not be nearly as windy as it was today. Much calmer, but the wind will kind of kick up on Wednesday with a brief warm up with some rain as we get into Thursday night, part of Friday. Then we've got the frost and freezing conditions and a chilly Grand Prix weekend, followed by a June-like end to April with highs well into the 80s. Tonight, 33 Winamac, 33 Morocco, 35 Monticello, Remington, the 37 Lafayette, 38 Crawfordsville. You can kind of see along and north, again, a US 24, better potential of a little more widespread frost, but even 36 at Pine Village for the overnight here. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy, a low to mid 60s, 63 Lafayette, Monticello, 64 Crawfordsville, and 61 up towards Peru and Logansport and Rochester. And those numbers will feel better because we're not going to have a howling wind tomorrow, but the wind will crank up on Wednesday, even though it will be warmer. 67 in Rochester, a mostly sunny day with 70 in Lafayette, 71 Fowler, and 72 at Attica, Pence, 69 Colfax. Now, once we get into Thursday, 74 degrees for the high. Partly cloudy. A wave of scattered showers and thunderstorms will arrive Thursday night, last through part of Friday. Cooler and windy with 61. In fact, we may fall a little bit into the 50s later on Friday. Windy. Chilly for Grand Prix weekend. Only 53 on Saturday, and Saturday night and Sunday night, frost and freezing with lows of 29 to 32. I think Sunday night will have the better potential of a little more widespread frost, and it'll be just slightly colder than Saturday night. But after a cold start Monday, still kind of cool at 56. 66 Tuesday will be the start of the big warm-up. The 80s arriving near the 28th. Those 80s may last 3 or 4 days, but after that, another cool down on the horizon. We may get at least patchy frost in here around May 4th, and it may drop to 31 degrees up towards Logansport, Winamac, Rochester, and Denver. 63 tomorrow after 37 in the morning. 70 Wednesday, 74 windy Thursday, but cooling off on Friday with 61, and then a cool weekend only in the 50s with a pretty blustery northwest wind and overnight lows, unfortunately, getting below freezing. But we're not talking about lows of 24, 25, 26 like last time. This is going to be like 29, 30. So no widespread heavy freeze damage expected.
And a little warm up in the middle of our week.